Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a little warmer this morning.
It's great. Are you kidding? Best night yet.
Because we're almost in Florida.
Florida.
Cooking us breakfast?
Camp eggs.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Don't worry, he'll share.
All the stuff that needs to go into the front of the truck.
Conecuh. I wonder how you pronounce that.
Conecuh.
Conecuh. I like it. Conecuh. 3% battery now.
I have like 64.
I'm just going to stick mine right in the truck.
Okay. This is a really nice spot. It is a lot more beautiful out this morning than it has been. We've been like freezing wearing stocking cap. Well, he's still wearing his stocking cap, but it's nice enough for me today that I don't need my stocking cap. Which is nice.
Awesome.
It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning for a walk. I was just thinking about the Pocahontas movie. You know, just around the river bend, just around the river bend. That's what I was thinking. I don't know why. Shh, I know I'm loud. Not normally. I do wonder what all those marks on the trees are. They must be getting rid of some. Weeding out the forest.
Where we're driving out.
Yeah?
The highway's right there.
Oh. Well, this was wonderful.
Yeah.
This is a nice place. Oh, you can get sticky sticks. You know?
Yeah.
Gotta check all the fluids before we go.
All right, baby, I'm ready to go. It's a pretty nice place.
our phones. Oh my God. So anyway.
So now we don't have to stop at McDonald's to go charge our phone.
No, I actually have my phone charging right now as we drive. Oh, we're funny. Anyway, that's a cool thing to find out.
That's a cool thing to find
Thing
out.
to find out. Okay. Looks tasty. Yep, we're eating at a Walmart. Making me some good lunch.
Yes, I am. Tried to feed the bum, but he only wanted money, not food.
Right?
Too bad we didn't get that on video.
Yeah, well.
What you doing? You're funny. Come on, I don't want to kill you.
Kind of hard to see our delicious food.
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Meat.
Meat.
It will be rice.
It will be rice. Of course, Bob's doing the cooking. Dinner for tonight
Cheesy broccoli.
with rice and some yummy, delicious sandwiches and coffee. Another good night of cooking. A nice night.
Yeah, I keep thinking about the bum. He didn't want food. He wanted money.
No.
When I offered him food, he drove away.
Coming up to us one time was fine.
Yeah.
That didn't bother me. But coming up to us again.
This one has a little chocolate on it. Yeah, I know. The second time was ridiculous.
The second time was annoying. It was just annoying.
So then I offered him food.
I didn't want the food. No, the food.
No, what kind of person takes food? Maybe a crackhead.
I don't hang around with crackheads. Well, we're offering you food. I mean, we're getting ready to make lunch.
You're trying to bum food so you can go to McDonald's, and I'm offering you friggin' food for your sandwich.
And he knew exactly how much it costs for a Burger King burger.
Yeah, right. It was all his lie. I saw right through it. He just wanted money.
He kept staring at me. Give me the heebie-jeebies. Well, he did.
You should have told him you're not afraid to shoot.
Right. I kept watching the door while you were cooking. Because I was like, well, what if this is some kind of ploy? And he's going to get into my purse and steal stuff. I don't have any money in there, but still, I would rummage, maybe even steal my whole purse. While we're talking, you know, and he's talking to us, you know, like a partner in crime type thing. It's
Yeah.
okay. I know better. I'm from Florida.
They're good, aren't they?
Well, that's just an utter rip. Damn Quaker. You done jacked us over. That one doesn't even look like it has any chocolate on it at all. My tummy hurts.
Yeah, as soon as we said, I have some onions and lettuce for you, and started pedaling away.
Lettuce and he's probably thinking, well, what the heck am I gonna do with some lettuce and onions?
Add it to your bum stew. I don't care.
And then you tell him, well, look at where I live. Do you think I have any change? I'm thinking, I live here.
He doesn't need to know that.
Oh, man. That was funny.
Where I live, you think I have any change? I can bum asking me for money. Turned around and asked him for money.
He's trying to tell us we could go to his property or something. And go stay at his property.
Yeah, his property.
You could go take it over.
Yeah, his
Take
property.
it over.
Take it over.
Take it over. We go take it over. I'm thinking, take it over.
Take over his bum property.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we can go get ransacked.
Yeah. Yeah. That's not working.
How many can I take out before they get to me?